Thinking about a solo travel as a woman alone, but you're feeling a little intimidated, you're not alone. Solo travel can feel intimidating, but with the right preparation, it can be incredibly empowering and freeing. And today, I'm here to share some of my top tips with you that every woman should know before they jump on the next airplane so that they can explore the world with confidence. Stay tuned. Today, we're focusing on solo travel safety tips for women. It's beginner-friendly travel advice. Hi, my name is Melissa with the Well Traveled Bee, and I'm just here to help you plan safe, stress-free, and unforgettable trips. One of my favorite parts as a travel agent so far is just empowering women to get out and explore the world around them, whether that be with their partner, with their family, or on their own. So I'm going to share some of my top strategies to help keep you safe so you can enjoy the world around you. Tip 1, choose safe accommodations. First things first, your accommodations are going to set the tone for your entire trip. Choosing a safe place to stay is crucial. So look for hotels or hostels that are well-reviewed, centrally located, and preferably close to public transportation. If you're using Airbnb or Vrbo, make sure that you're choosing listings that are well-established and have great reviews. One important thing to check for are safety features with your accommodations, like 24 hours, 7 reception, secure locks, and well-lit entrances. Avoid staying in areas that are isolated or poorly lit, even if the price is tempting. And remember, convenience and safety always come first. Quick story, one of my clients once looked at an Airbnb that was super cute, but it was tucked away in a poorly lit alley. So we switched her to a nearby hotel in a safer neighborhood, and she felt more comfortable just exploring on her own. So just remember that your accommodations matter. Even if the Airbnb looks cute, you gotta think about your safety first. Tip number 2 is stay connected and share your plans. Always stay connected. Make sure you have a reliable phone plan, or if you're traveling internationally, that you have a local SIM card, and share your travel itinerary with family or loved ones. Apps like WhatsApp or Google Map locations are great for letting someone know where you're at and what you're doing in live time. Pro tip, keep physical and digital copies of your driver's license, your passport, and your any ID you have, and emergency contacts, because you never know when you're going to need them. Tip number 3, pack smart and travel light. Gosh, oh gosh, do I need this advice. Packing smart is another key to keeping safe. Keep your bag manageable so that you can move quickly if needed. Pack essentials like a portable charger, a small first aid kit, a whistle, a personal alarm, and a money belt to keep cash, and any important documents that you want to keep safe. So when I'm traveling, I always keep like all the important stuff, the travel documents, the personal documents, the financial stuff, or printed itinerary, anything like that. I keep it on my person. So I'll carry a backpack and I'll put it in the slot that's closest to my body so nobody could like reach in and grab it. Avoid flashy jewelry and designer bags that might attract attention. Simple, functional items are best. The less you carry, the less stressed you'll feel navigating new places on your own. One of my favorite travel pieces right now is a crossbody cut-resistant bag. It has zippers that kind of latch together that can't be unzipped easily. It can't be cut easily. It has the RFID blocker on it. So I'll link that in the bio, but I really do love that bag, and it's been great for just keeping my hands free during travel and all of my important stuff with me. And back to that point, if you're doing day trips from your accommodations, I always suggest carrying a day pack that has your essentials, like your water, your phone, your wallet, and a lightweight jacket. It keeps your valuables close to you in case there's an emergency and you need them quickly, and your hands are free, like I just mentioned, with the bag with the crossbody. Tip number 4 is to trust your instincts and stay aware. Perhaps the most important tip to trust is your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Avoid areas that feel unsafe, especially at night, and don't be afraid to change your plans or to cross the street if you need to. Stay aware of your surroundings and maintain situational awareness at all times. Knowing what's happening around you is a powerful deterrent against potential threats to you. So just don't get so wrapped up in what's going on on your phone or in your AirPod that you're not aware of what's going on around you. And that also includes not to overtake an alcohol or anything that would cause you not to be fully functional with your mind. Pro tip, consider learning basic self-defense moves or carrying a personal security device like a whistle or an alarm. Confidence and preparation go hand in hand when solo traveling. Now, I really like a pepper spray, but we both know that you cannot carry that anywhere with security. You're going to get that removed. So that one's not a good option, unfortunately. So whistle or some sort of alarm would be the second thing that I would go to. Tip number 5 is use reliable transportation and travel apps. Transportation is another area where safety is key. Only use verified taxis or rideshare apps, and always check the license plate number, the driver's name, and the car before getting in. If you're using public transit, stick to well-lit stations and avoid empty buses or trains at night. When walking, stay visible. Avoid alleys or parks and keep your back close to your body. Travel apps can help you plan safe routes and even alert you to any safety concerns in the area. I always recommend if you're using a rideshare app, to take a photo of the car and the plate before getting in. It only takes a second and can help prevent mistakes or protect you. Safe solo travel is all about preparation, awareness, and trusting yourself. But following these tips, you can explore the world confidently, meet people, and create unforgettable memories without unnecessary worry. If you want personalized solo travel itineraries, insider tips, or just help planning your first solo trip, send me a message or check the link in the description. I help travelers all the time plan safe, stress-free, and incredible journeys tailored just for them. Thanks for watching and happy solo adventures.